The next topic is a very important one that many people often worry about. We are going to talk about theft and fraud. What is theft? Theft is the unlawful taking of someone's property with the intent to permanently deprive them of it. This can range from petty theft, such as shoplifting, to more serious offenses like burglary or grand theft auto. The legal consequences for theft vary depending on the jurisdiction and the value of the stolen property. What is fraud? Fraud involves intentional deception to secure unfair or unlawful gain. This can manifest in various forms, such as identity theft, credit card fraud, or financial scams. Perpetrators of fraud often employ deceitful tactics, misrepresentation, or false information to exploit individuals or organizations for financial advantage. Combating fraud requires vigilance, cybersecurity measures, and public awareness. How do I prevent theft and fraud? Avoiding theft and fraud necessitates a proactive approach involving personal surveillance and the implementation of security measures. Central to this effort is safeguarding personal and financial information, which includes being cautious about sharing passwords, PINs, and sensitive documents both online and over the phone. Utilizing secure transactions is vital, emphasizing the use of encrypted websites for online activities and steering clear of public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Regularly monitoring financial statements is crucial to promptly identify and report any unauthorized transactions to the relevant financial institution. Installing reputable security software, including antivirus and anti-malware tools, provides an additional layer of protection against online threats. Staying educated about common scams and fraudulent methods is important, fostering awareness to be cautious of unsolicited communications and verifying the authenticity of requests for personal information. By incorporating these practices, individuals can fortify their defenses against potential threats and contribute to a more secure digital environment. Why do people resort to theft and fraud? The motivations behind theft and fraud are diverse and can include financial desperation, greed, or a desire for personal gain. Some individuals resort to criminal activities due to economic hardships, while others exploit opportunities for financial gain without regard for the consequences. Understanding the underlying factors can inform efforts to address the root causes and implement preventative measures.